effort ka na gumising ng umaga para maligo. Pero mukha ka pa rin walang ligo. Iba, you have muta. Ligo na yun yan si Dan. It's really early in the morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Good morning, Vlogmas Day 2. Vlogmas.
How many days until Christmas?
24. It's December 1. December 1 na. Wala pa akong lip tint. Yan na lang yung kulang. Nakapag-blush ako. Sobrang nagmamadali kami. We woke up at 10 past 8 and now it's 8:43. And we are out and about. Nakapag-ano pa ako? Nakapag-blow dry. Bongga, diba? Mag-ano tayo, lip tint tayo, guys. Yung dala-dala ko sa aking maliit na bag is itong Generation Happy Skin Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint Shade Tough. Ito yung collab ng Happy Skin at saka ni Catherine. Okay, do you want some? Tsaka weather, babe?
Yep.
Yeah.
We did well. We played golf yesterday. It was beautiful weather.
Yeah?
In the afternoon.
I know, I saw you. I saw you on Neil's live and Mark's live. Kasi kahapon papunta doon, naka-hoodie. Tapos nung nakita ko siya sa live ni Mark tsaka ni Neil, naka-t-shirt na lang. Kasi maganda yung weather. Ano yung mukha ko? Nag-ano lang ako eh. Sunscreen.
Did you get that golf video?
Video cosmetics, yeah, I got the golf video.
You should insert my golf video. Yeah.
Huh? No, because that's Neil's video. Pupunta nga pala kami sa bahay ng mama niya, guys. We will have breakfast there. Yung usapan is 9 in the morning, so we should make it, right? Because no traffic, man.
Oh, but that's definitely exactly 9. We're okay.
Yeah. Pag ibang tao, grabe, ang aga namin, 30 minutes early. Tapos pag mama niya, okay lang, hindi masyado. Kapon kinalayra, grabe ang aga talaga namin. Naiinis ako kapag sobrang aga namin. Kasi sabi ko, parang nakakadisturbo tayo ng tao pag sobrang aga natin dumating.
When you put Fanta to Quake,
Yeah.
what's the idea of putting Fanta to it? What is it?
Oh, that's to the sauce. That's the sauce of the Quake. Why?
Just wondering, like.
Yeah, that's the sauce of the Quake. Some people use Sprite, but Lyra uses Fanta, and it's good. Nag-stop kasi talaga kami sa shops kahapon para bumili ng Fanta kasi sabi ko kulang ng Fanta para sa Quake. But yeah, it's for the sauce, my love. Why do you think it's the one that's making it orange?
That's alright.
Is that what you think? No, that's a different one. That's Achuete. Achuete. Babe, what do you have in your eye? Muta. Muta. Oh, smell me, babe.
I can't, my nose are blocked.
Can you smell?
They're good.
Are they good?
I couldn't, it made my nose itchy.
Ah, sorry. Yung lotion kahapon, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. When I ordered at Mecca, they gave me samples of lotions,
Okay.
which is really good. Yeah, I used it all already. So one smells really good, but I think it's gonna be expensive. And I still have heaps of lotions left. What?
Oh no, I'm just thinking I want to put Maddie and Hugo in the video today, my love.
Why?
I want them to say Merry Christmas.
Aww.
Merry Christmas.
Pupunta kami dun para makita yung mga bata. Nagdala-dala kaming regalo eh. Pila. Yung pamangkin ni Dan, tell them a story about Hugo and Kraus.
It's a nice story.
Yung Kraus, yung ng team namin, yung kalaban ng team namin dito sa Adelaide, bumisita sa school ng bata. Tapos binibigyan sila ng mga Kraus na mga kung ano-ano. Dinala ni Hugo sa bahay. Pinakita niya kay Tito Dan kasi alam niya na ayaw ni Dan yung Kraus. Look how what I got from school. Sabi niya, what? Pinano niya, sinira niya. Kaya pila niya na pila. Sabi niya, habang bata pa, kailangan natin silang i-brainwash na magustuhan yung porn. Power! Sinira niya talaga, guys. Was it like a poster or something?
Yeah.
Sinira niya talaga, guys. Tapos tinatapak-tapakan niya. Hindi na siya yung gusto ni Hugo. Parang dinala lang ata ni Hugo sa bahay. Kasi nga, gusto niya ipakita kay Dan. Inaano niya, tinutukso niya. Iniinis niya si Dan pa. And it worked! Binila niya na pillow. $2 lang to, diba, babe? You got this for $2. That's really cheap. Yeah.
It was a good deal.
So, ibibigay ito kay Hugo para ito na yung ano niya, i-keep niya sa bahay, hindi na yung gross. Wala na din naman, sinira na ni Danny.
So Uncle Danny's the best uncle ever.
Uncle Danny's the best uncle ever.
So Uncle Danny's the best uncle ever.
Sit down here. Make your hands turn.
Do the floss, ready?
Wait, stop. If I make your hands turn without touching them, you have to give me $5. So go like
Do the
this. Like it.
Do the floss again, babe.
Oh, I make your hands turn.
Ito yung Christmas tree nila, guys. Ganda, diba? Merong mga ano, pangalan ng mga apo. Tagi-isang bola. Theo, Eli, Hugo. Wait, sige, go! Oops, nice! Oops! Oops!
I see.
Yeah.
You won.
Oh, we saw something there. Dami nilang pang Christmas. Dang, Santa. Ano pa? Got one here. So cute. And then meron sa likod. Nag-split. Meron silang ganito.
You like football? You like sport, don't you here? You like soccer?
Nandito sa table. Really cute. Ito. It's really nice, that one. Very glittery. There's one more.
He goes down to the camera. Hugo dance. Hugo dancing. Hugo.
Okay,
He's
dance.
dancing for all the girls. Hello, girls.
Whoa!
Watch Hugo dance.
Guys, kanina pa kami nasa bahay pero nag-edit ako ng video kasi hindi ko siya natapos i-edit kagabi yung vlogmas ko. But it's uploading right now. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng thumbnail. We need to come up with a list kasi mag-grocery shopping kami. And ang lamig-lamig. So we got,
Well, should we do the Christmas shopping as well?
yeah.
Alright. So you're gonna make
Leche flan.
let's see eggs. How many cartons?
Yeah.
How many making? Two cartons?
Yeah, so just make it 3.
3 cartons.
3 cartons of eggs.
Some bacon.
Condensed milk. Evaporated milk.
Condensed milk. I went for lunch those chicken breast again. Let's go. Spinach. Sorry for holding out. Sorry for keeping you up, my love. Alright, what else do we need? Strawberries. What about your food? Think of your food, Barry. Don't worry about my food. Strawberry.
Yeah, let's take out this. I'm gonna take out 2. I'm gonna eat this next. I have laing so I can eat that one day. Naiinis ako na pagod ako mag-isip ng mga pangkakainin natin do. Parang nakakapagod mag-isip. Ikaw na nag-isip, ikaw pa magluluto. Grumpy na siguro ako ngayon. Grumpy to eh.
You're not grumpy.
Yeah. What do you want for dinner?
I'll get a T-bone.
Yeah. Salmon?
I'll get salmon.
What else? I think it's really cold as well. I need to change my jacket.
Put something on.
Yeah.
I might just get some broccoli. I've got some asparagus still, so just get one bit of broccoli.
Juice boxes, soft drinks.
That's for the party, though, isn't it?
Yeah, juice boxes, soft drinks. I need to get Jägermeister. It's
Jägermeister?
yeah.
What for?
Drinks.
Alcohol?
Yeah.
Are you buying alcohol as well?
Yeah, that's part of the $80 they pay me. Liquorland muna tayo, guys. Bili tayo ng alcohol para sa party. 1 oras na lang mag-close na yung lahat ng shops. Kailangan namin pumunta dito, tapos kay Mart, tapos Kohl's. Okay.
Okay.
Ito yung sabi ni ano. Is that the only one?
Yeah, that's Jägermeister.
I'll go get it. Big one tayo ngayon. Marami-rami ngayon. Good job. Walang tao ang aisle na to. Kanina pa kami dito guys, pero sobrang busy. Malapit na kami matapos. Yeah, for a toilet cleaner. Toilet cleaner. Wala yan diyan. Diyan. Wala yan diyan, malab. Dito yan banda. Buang gid. We need this, oh. Yung yellow tag, wala na. Ubus na, guys.
Oh, that's alright. Sorbet.
This.
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah, that'll last. We got away. We get something when we get back.
Okay. Punta kami sa Korean shop, guys. Isang dinner namin. Korean barbecue. And nandito yung, Jägermeister. So, si Kat yung nakaisip na to. Ano siya? Alcohol siya. So, yung ginawa namin is nag-ambag-ambag kami para sa alcohol, para sa drinks sa mga bata, para sa soft drinks, and yung pang ano din ito. Anong tawag dito? Parang ano siya? What do you call that? Hindi ko alam. Parang pa-mix ata nito. Mix ata? Or chase? Hindi ko alam, guys. Hindi ko alam yung mga inuman term. Pero bumili kami ng Red Bull para daw dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. What do you call the Red Bull for this? Is that a chaser or a mixa?
I'm not sure how you guys are drinking it.
Ah, okay. So, hindi pala natin talaga alam. Family Mart tayo! Bili tayo pang Korean barbecue! Yummers to. Oh, actually, it's better to get beef, pork than beef. For your keto, pork has more fat than beef. Sana meron silang, yes! There. Ano ako nito? Sa Coles, isa na lang natira. Nagkaubusan na talaga sila. Tapos ang daming tao. Yeah, that lettuce as well. I need more of these. I think 2 more, please. Or actually, is that better? Yung nasa ganyan? Or...
That's these.
Yeah, sige. 2 more. Thank you.
How many of these? Just one?
Or actually... okay, yeah. That's fine. Yeah, just one of the lettuce. And then... yung masarap na ito. Roasted squid. And then... ooh, look at that. That's like some kind of meat as well. This. Kimchi?
Got kimchi?
Yep. Paldo. Okay. And then just the pork. Pizza. Last stop today. Priceline, guys. I need my vitamin D. Ito. Yung vitamin D ko, 2 na lang natira. Gusto ko yung... yung, ano yun? Caplet? Caplet ata yun. Wait, is this the... is that the same as the one that I have now?
I got it now.
Agoy, babe. I want the... like the caplet. Ay, ano tawag dun? The same as our headache tablet?
Right.
This is capsule.
You don't want a capsule? Capsule is like a little... you know what a capsule is?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you want a tablet or capsule?
Liquid capsule yung hinahanap ko. Kasi mas madali siya inumin. Liquid capsule, my love. Tablet,
Well,
tablet.
they're all tablets and capsules, so they must be the same.
Ay,
So that's a tablet.
yeah. Pero yung akin kasi ngayon, liquid capsule. Okay lang yun okay, guys. Let's do a haul. Check nga natin kung ito ba yung gusto ko. Yes! Ito yung iniisip ko yung ganito. Oopsie, sorry. Yan. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Yan ba? Ganyan. Ayoko yung tablet na parang pag inom mo, nafe-feel mo talaga yung parang natatouch niya yung, alam mo ba, bibig mo. Tapos, ito at least parang nagsaslide lang siya dun. Kasi araw-araw ko ito iniinom vitamin D. Low kasi yung vitamin D ko. Pero hindi na siya low kasi umiinom ako mga ganyan. We got the Jägermeister. Ha? Jägermeister ba talaga to?
Jägermeister.
Jägermeister? Iba lang yung ano niya. Iba pala talaga yung spelling niya. Yung sinulat ko kasi sa lista ko, Jägermeister. Ayan. Yan yung para sa Sabado, guys. Para sa ating Christmas party. Drinks, kasi si Dan, kawawa siya. Sa Christmas party, hindi siya pwedeng mag-beer kasi yung beer, carbs. So, tubig sa kanya. Bumili na siya ng tubig. maraming tubig, toilet paper, paper towels. Ito muna unahin natin. Nagpunta kami sa Korean shop. Bumili kami ng lettuce, mushrooms. I-try ko yung isali sa barbecue yung mushroom. So, yan. Kimchi, of course, guys. Roasted squid. Masarap to side dish. Wait, tatlo nito. Kasi sa course, isa na lang natira. And gagawa ako ng maraming lumpiang toge. Yung maliliit para, ano kasi siya, very handy niya kapag wala akong ulam, yun lang, kukunin ko siya sa freezer, i-deep fry, and okay na, may ulam na ako. And then yung ating pork, sliced pork para sa Korean barbecue. Okay, tapos itong mga susunod, galing na to sa Kohl's lahat. Morning Fresh dishwashing liquid. Ginagamit ko to sa toilet namin. So, sinasabit mo lang siya sa toilet bowl. And then, ganyan. Pag flush mo, every time nagpa-flush ka, parang natatouch siya ng tubig. So, parang nalalagyan ng itsura. So, kapag flush mo, and then, toilet bowl cleaners as well. So, yung pinipili ko talaga either green or blue. Para puting-puti talaga yung toilet bowl. Hindi ko pinipili yung yellow. Isang egg. So, 3 eggs actually itong pinili namin.
So I'm going to put these away while you're doing it?
Yeah, you can. Alright. So, we have spinach. Hindi nawawala na yung spinach sa amin. Lagi na may spinach. More water para kay Dan. Para sa party yung dadalhin niya yan sa party. And then, we have a lot of soft drinks as well. Parang 5 ata to. Ito yung dadalhin namin sa party, guys. Again, nag-ambag-ambag kami niyan. Tsaka ito din, nag-ambag-ambag kami nito. Juice boxes para sa kids, para hindi na problemahin yung drinks ng kids. 3 ganito yung binili namin. So, iba-ibang klase. May apple splash, may apple blackcurrant, sunshine punch. Bibigat ng mga bag. Ito, nandito ata yung mga natin, mga meat. So, ito yung isa na lang natira. See, same lang sila. Same lang actually sila na itsura. It's the same, babe. See? Same, the one from Korea.
Let's keep all this stuff separate for the drinks.
Okay, that's fine. Up to you. Asparagus. Hindi. Baby broccoli. Hindi namin nabili yung malaking broccoli para sa lunch niya sana. Gusto niya na naman yung chicken, guys, na may cheese na filling. So, bumili kami ng chicken breast, 3. Twiggy sticks. Niya yan? Snack niya yan. Cabana as well. Cabana. Middle bacon. Chicken wings to, yes. Chicken wings kasi malaki. Try ko gawan siya ng steamed fish one night for his dinner. So, we got barramundi fillet. T-bone steak. Cream cheese. Meron akong gagawin, guys. Sana maging okay. Pero, yeah, I got cream cheese for that. 2 spring roll pastry para sa ating, lumpiang toge. I got 500 grams of pork mince. 500 grams of beef mince. So, itong beef mince para sa spaghetti kasi yun yung dadalhin ko sa Christmas party. And then, yung pork mince is for the lumpia. More Parmesan cheese. Wait. Croissant. Baby croissant. More drinks. Separate na pala namin ito. Lagay natin ito doon. And then, more eggs. 2 more trays of eggs. Huh?
I'm going to put that away.
And then, celery. Ito sa snack bread. I-dip niya lang to sa cheese, cream cheese, ganun. Yogurt, para sa kanyang breakfast. Nuts, para sa kanyang breakfast. Naubusan sila ng strawberries. So, I got raspberries instead. Yan yung ilalagay natin sa breakfast niya. Okay na din para iba din ba? Diba? This is the last bag, guys. More drinks. Ilan ba? 6? 5 ata. 5 lang yan. And then, spaghetti. Ito, magle-leche flan din kasi ako. So, yung dadali namin spaghetti, leche flan, at saka yung coleslaw, tapos yung bread para sa coleslaw. 2 condensed milk, tapos 2 creamy evaporated milk. Whole peppercorns, kasi naubos na yung, malapit na naubos yung peppercorn namin. So, nire-refill ko lang siya. Ito yung binibili namin, tapos nire-refill ko lang yung, namin. Powdered sugar, may gagawin ako. Chicken broth. Last na, galing Coles, Red Bull. Ayan, para sa Yaga Master. And then last one, ito, galing Kmart to, guys. Kasi nga may gagawin ako. Hand mixer siya. Ganyan. $15 lang to. Tingnan nga natin kung ano laman nito. Kasi sa Kmart, okay lang eh. Doon ko nabili yung yung chopper, mini chopper. I think that was only like $15. And that one's good. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Gagamitin ko na naman siya kapag naglumpia ako. Very handy niya talaga. So, wala kasi akong hand mixer. Kasi hindi naman ako nagbe-bake. Pero meron akong gustong gawin eh. Na kailangan nito. $15 siya. Merong isa doon 10. Tapos ito 15 kasi may turbo daw siya. Tatlo siya. Ayan. Isang ganito. Ay, 4. Ah, tigda dalawa. Tigda dalawa, guys. Yay! There you go. Ah! Mas magaganon-ganon ka. Paano nga ulit yun? Ganon-ganon ka, diba? Ganon. Char. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko yung gagawin. Pero try ko yan. That is it, pansit. No, hindi ko alam kung anong dinner ko. Actually, I think I'll just have laing for dinner. Nilabas ko na kasi yung laing galing sa freezer. So, yun na lang yung ano ko. Kakainin ko, babe. Laing. What are you gonna have for dinner? Salita ako ng salita about sa dinner ko. Hindi pala siya nakikinig kasi nakaano siya. Okay. I need to cook rice. Ito lang ko rice, guys. Guys, initin ko yung aking laing. Yun yung aking dinner today. Kasi wala na akong ibang maisip. Kailangan ko ng tulong. Wala na akong ibang maisip na yung dinner. Nakakapagod din magluto minsan, eh. Ano, marami to. Hindi ko to mauubos ng isang kainan lang. So, siguro ito yung kakainin ko lunch bukas. Para hindi na ako mag-isip ng pang-lunch. Oh, humors! Ayan, laing, guys. Bali, initin ko siya ba, pero lalagyan ko siya ng more gata. Kasi, ganyan dapat. Lagyan ng gata kasi nagda-dry na siya eh. Merong maliit na coconut milk, oh. Ang cute niya, diba? Initin ko na lang siya lahat. Tapos, hindi ko na alam. Mababalik ko pa ito sa fridge. Tapos, kakainin ko bukas. Baka tsaka na ito bukas, guys. Hindi na siguro. Sayang, uy. Sana inano ko na lang talaga siya ba. Pinortion ko siya ng enough lang talaga ng isang kainan. Kasi ito hindi to. Ang dami nito. Ito na kasi yung pang last ko eh. Wala na akong laing. Dadagdagan ko siya ng sili para maanghang talaga. Yan yung ginawa namin kahapon sa laing na dinala ko kinalay. And in fairness, sabi naman nila masarap daw. And nag-take away pa sila, o diba? So masarap din talaga siguro. Kasi nag-uwi pa sila ng laing. Si Mark at saka si Kat. Baon niya ni Kat sa ano niya, work niya kanina. Yan guys, maglagay tayo. Siguro mga ganyan na muna karami. And then kukunin ko yung sili. Magdagdag tayo ng sili para maanghang. Ito na yung laing guys na dinagdagan natin ng gata. Tapos dinagdagan ko din siya ng isang sili. Tikman natin siya. Kasi alam niyo ba kahapon, hindi ako kumain ng laing talaga. Nag-focus ako dun sa paksiw na ginawa nila eh. Kasi gustong gusto ko yun. Okay na. Tama na yung anghang niya. Yeah. Yep. It's good. Okay. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, guys. Si Dan, busog pa kasi nag-snack ng ano niya kanina, yung mga stick na binili niya. Yung dinner niya is T-bone steak. Yan. Lulutuin ko yung lunch ni... Oh, lulutuin namin dalawa, guys. Do you want me to cook all three now? Gusto niya matuto. Kasi pag wala na ako...
How much butter? Put it in.
How much? Yeah. Just a little bit. Ang lamig-lamig, guys. Nakakainis. Hindi pa ako nag-skincare, pero nagpalit na ako ng pampatulog kasi sobrang ang lamig. Naka-t-shirt lang ako kanina. Bipolar talaga yung weather. Kahapon, okay lang. Ngayon, lamig-lamig. So, you will just wash this, babe.
Right?
Wash the chicken. And then just, like, slice it in half. But don't go all the way.
So, what do you want to cook in here, babe? The spinach?
Yeah, put it on low.
Something like.
Okay, put the spinach.
How much?
Okay, that's enough. I'll let you do the other chicken, okay? Look at this, babe. You just do this, and then just cut it there. But don't go all the way. Just spread it like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
After that, baking paper. And then smash it. Okay, when the spinach is ready, you can put the cheese. So start with the, yeah. You will need a spoon.
Just a little bit.
Just leave a little bit for the next one because you only have one left.
Yeah, not there.
Okay. And then once the cream cheese is melted, you can put on the other cheese. What do we have? Mozzarella? Let's see.
Then we got mozzarella, we got cheddar, I've got parmesan.
Parmesan, yeah. And then season the chicken, guys. Merong time na niluto ko to, hindi ko sinseason yung chicken. So, ano lang siya, pepper at saka asin. Yung isang side lang ng chicken, okay na. And then, ilalagay mo na yung cheese. Ilalagay lang yung cheese, guys. Gotta divide it into 2 as well because you've got 2. Okay, sige. Now, you gotta roll it.
That way?
In fairness naman talaga sa gawa ng ating Danny Boy, guys. Siya gumawa nito. Siya din nag-wrap na to. Oh. Iano ko na lang siya. Cut into pieces. Tapos lagay natin sa baunan niya. Dito na si Dan, guys. Galing takbo. Muulan pa naman. Kumustahin natin siya. You okay? Yeah. It rained?
Cool.
You wet? Poor babe. You okay?
Yeah.
Good run?
That's alright.
As soon as you got out, it rained. Yeah, akala ko nga babalik siya eh, pero hindi siya bumalik. Good job talaga itong asawa ko eh. Anyway, maliligo lang yan. Tapos, yun na yung vlog. Kasi maaga na naman kami bukas. Yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating Vlogmas Day 2. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys bukas. Vlogmas Day 3. Bye guys. Good night. Be good. See you tomorrow.